Okay, it's been 15 minutes, give or take. And so let's check and see how our blades are doing. Oh, it looks like there's a few that are just about ready. I'm gonna blow that off first because there's a little bit of debris here. And I hope you're not too seasick because I'm going to pull the camera and so that you can get a bird's eye view, so to speak, of the blades themselves. Oh, I don't know if you can see it or not. But anyway, as you can see, burrs, slight burrs on the edge of the blade. That means that the blade has been sharpened to a very fine point. I think you can see the burr on this one, the burrs. And at least two of these blades are ready to switch over. So we're going to put this back on. Maybe. I'm not an actor or a photographer. Alright. I've decided that it's time to switch this blade, this blade, this blade. This one's got some real nasty nicks back down in it. It could go a little while longer, and probably should, just because it goes to a golf course mower. But I think I'm going to flip it also, just because. I'm going to take this one off and kind of bring it up to the camera and okay, now I'm not behind the camera and I'm not, best thing I can do is kind of roll it and kind of, hopefully you can get a good view of it with the roll. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to run over and I'm just going to lightly file this edge and then we'll bring it back. Okay, so even this one here that I thought still could be on the sharpener a little longer, if you look at that edge, I'm going to roll it real slowly, hopefully, so that you can get a good view of it. It's sharp. So now it's time to flip it over and sharpen the other side. The nice thing about this is you don't have to do anything else other than flip it over. You just flip it over, put it on. While I'm doing this, it's very important that you keep the stone, the grinding stone, clean. So it's also very important that you start with clean blades. I pressure wash mine first because when I'm done with them I have to stack them in my room and it just kind of looks prettier that way. But if you choose not to pressure wash them, at least run them across a wire wheel on any of the area that will be touching the grinding stone. And periodically, while it's grinding, it's a good idea to just come along and through one of the side ports that you can get into, just blow the grinding stone off. As long as you've got the cover on, you don't really need to use your safety glasses. Anyway, we're going to put this on pause again. I'm going to switch these other three, and we'll probably come back in roughly another 15 minutes.